Change these iPhone settings to instantly make your iPhone faster and smarter. All right, the first thing that you're going to do is to extend the life of your battery. If you've had your phone for a year or more, this is super important. Get into your settings, go down to where it says battery, select battery. We're going to scroll down to battery health and charging. Once you select that, you need to make sure that your optimized battery charging is toggled on. This is going to reduce the aging of your battery, less stress on it, making it last much longer, keeping your phone working nice and smooth. Next, we'll go back to our home screen, hit settings again, but this time go to general, scroll down until you see keyboards. Click on keyboards at the top. Now here, we can really speed up how we type, especially if we type in more than one language. So you can see right now I have the keyboard of English, but I can add to that by adding new keyboard, pick a different language. So to use this, when I'm typing my messages, I just go down to the globe symbol here at the bottom, press and hold, and you'll see the languages come up. I'm going to pick a different language here, and now my keyboard has been changed so I can send messages in this different language. Also, another feature here is when I press and hold the button again, I can make this keyboard a one-handed keyboard by moving it to the left side or by moving it to the right side, also speeding up how I type and how I use this keyboard. The final thing that we can do to really speed up our iPhone is to give us control of the phone using only our face, completely hands-free. Check this out. From your home screen, simply go to Settings, then you're going to select Accessibility. There, you're going to scroll down until you see Head Tracking. This is where you can make changes. By enabling these, you can do things like smile to switch apps, raise your eyebrows to open the control center, or blink to open the camera. It's surprisingly accurate, it's useful for accessibility, and it offers hand-free controls, speeding up how you use your phone. Making these changes will give you a much better experience on your phone, making it smarter and faster. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.